Hey guys, we're just going to go over the agenda really fast. So we have our 3.3 video notes. These need to be done before coming to class. And I'm going to go over my expectations for those. Then we have the 3.3 homework on big ideas. And then we have in person, we're going to do a mini lesson to go over those notes. This is just to solidify that understanding, answer questions, stuff like that. We'll have a review activity, and then we'll have some leftover time for homework for those who have not completed that 3.3 assignment before coming to me in person. So, if I can get out of there. Okay, we have our video notes. I did want to go over the video notes with you guys. Some people are a little confused, and so I just thought I'd clarify that for you. So, the video notes look like this, and when you do the video notes, you will work through slide by slide or side by side, and you will watch all the videos within the notes. They will appear here as soon as it loads. And you'll watch each one of these videos. They're pretty quick. As you watch the videos, you fill out your note packet that you should still have. And so as I work through it, you work through it. Then before hitting submit on the notes, you need to answer these questions. This is part of what I'm grading you on. So when it says 3.3 notes in Infinite Campus, this is talking about, did you watch the video, but also did you complete the questions? So if you don't complete these questions, I can't give you a 3 out of 3 on the notes. Then, like it says, you will go to Big Ideas and you will complete 3.3 homework. And then you will submit your showing work form here. Make sure that you do that, or I cannot give you that 3 out of 3 on your homework. So that's all we have for this week for at home. And if you've made it this far, I want you guys to send me an email that includes something. Let's go with, what food can you make? So what like meal or snack can you make yourself that is your all-time favorite? So not what does a parent, guardian, family member, anything like that. Not what can they make. I want to know what you can make. And so what is your favorite food that you can make? And send me that in an email and I will send you back some links bucks. So I'm going to let you get started on your schoolwork. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm live on Zoom during these times, and I'm also on email. So send me an email with any questions you might have. All right, get to work.